No, but I think Mesut showed over the years that he has much more to offer than that. And I don't like to talk just individually, but when you have the career that someone like him has, you have to have many more things to do. That when you win German play, when you won World Cup, you want a lot of big tournaments, and you want a lot of big trophies for big teams. It's just much more than just one quality. I spoke to them. I wanted to tell them mostly face to face before releasing the squad, and I explained the reason why, the numbers that we had, and that it was really difficult for me to tell them that. But this is the restriction, the rules, and they have to respect that decision and try to train the best possible way, help the team the way they can in that moment, and see what happens in December.